Welcome back friends to the YouTube channel TECHNTRAINER. Here the new thing is Techn Talk. In the first session we are going to learn what is networking devices. So guys, we start now. The heading is networking devices. So what is the networking devices? The networking devices it helps to extend our network. That means you can expand your network area of your computers with the help of networking devices. The second point is it also manage network traffic, network performance, and communication between the network devices or data sharing between devices. There are so many types of networking devices. The networking devices are the first one is LAN card, which is inbuilt in motherboard. With the help of this we communicate the devices. The second one is a hub. It also called multi-port repeater that helps to connect multiple computer network devices. The third one is switch, which is commonly used for connecting devices. And the fourth one is router. It helps to communicate in different network area. The fifth one is gateway that helps to connect devices. And the sixth one is bridge. It's work like a switch. Then seventh one is repeater that helps to increase our range of the Wi-Fi network. And the last one is modem. It not used now, but used in the before time. Instead of this using router now. Some of the network devices you can see. In the next video we will learn about detailed information about the networking devices. So subscribe my channel for more videos and latest update. Click on notification bell. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.